What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Godaddy domain name to your Google Workspace account. So Google Workspace is like basically the Google suite of apps, however on steroids, with lots of extra functionalities like extra storage on Google Drive, lots of functionalities to collaborate with your team members, and many more features. So that's the Google Workspace homepage. That's workspace.google.com. And here, as you can see, I have a GoDaddy domain name. That's howtosimple.site. And in this video, I'm going to start creating or signing up for a Google Workspace account and connecting it to my GoDaddy domain. So you must know that Google Workspace is not free. So if you click on the pricing pretty quickly to see their pricing, you have here the business starter, which is like $5.40 a month, like US dollars a month, and the business standard, that's $10.80, and then the business plus, that's 18, and then the enterprise you'll determine the price based on the features that you want. Now let's go back to Google Workspace. And now let's get started right here. Click on Get Started to start creating our account. And here, the business name, I'll just enter how to simple. Okay. Number of employees, just me. Region, Egypt. Okay. And then I'll enter my name and my current email address. And now they'll ask me if I want to set up Google Workspace with this email or setting it up using a domain. So in this video, I'm going to set it up using a domain. That's the GoDaddy domain name. Okay, I'll need a domain. Yes, I have one that I can use, or I need one. So if you don't already have a domain and you click on no, I need one, you can search domain name to find them and buy them from within the Google Workspace. So that's pretty cool. However, let's go back. I already have a domain. So I'll go to GoDaddy, go and copy my domain name. That's howtosimple.site. I want to copy it to make sure I don't do any typos. Okay, click on next. Okay, email sent to this domain name won't be affected till I set up my email this account. Okay, next. And here I need to set up a new username and password. So here, let's enter a username and password. I'll just enter or create a username and password, and they will be automatically, the email will be automatically be at howtosimple.site since I already added this domain name. So let's do, for example, sales, and then enter a password. Let's enter like a random password really quickly. Of course, you do not want to enter like random characters, since you do have to remember it to enter it to sign in. Okay, and then here I'm not a robot. Okay, agree and continue. Okay, I don't want to save it right now. Okay, and now they recommend a plan for me. However, I'll just like select any random plan because I have they'll give me like 14 days, so I'm okay with this plan that they chose, since I don't already need to like buy it. I just like for the sake of this video, I'll just go with the 14 days free trial just to show you the process. And here they give you like the features: custom secure business email with ending with the domain name that you entered. And here they give you up to 150 participants video meeting through Google Meet, 2 terabytes cloud storage per user, and much more. So let's try it for 14 days. Okay, and then let's enter the account information. So I'll just enter like my info and the payment, like credit card payment, and then go back and then agree and continue the setup process. Okay, and then they'll ask me to like try the Google Gemini business add-on. That's like their newest AI-based add-on or like assistant for free for 14 days. Okay, I'll just skip for now. Okay, I understand my new account like regulations. And then here I'm on the admin console of the Google Workspace. So click on next. And now I'll need to set up Google Workspace. So here I'll need to route my emails to Gmail inboxes to like get emails on howtosimple.site. So now if I click on activate right here, I'll go ahead and they'll go ahead and like provide me with the steps to connect to my like domain name. So I'll just go here to my GoDaddy homepage and then go to DNS. So on my products here, that's the page that's opened. If you do not have it like right here, go to accounts, my products, and this page will open. I'll just need to click on DNS here next to the domain name that I connected. Okay, so I'll need to add this name record into my GoDaddy domain settings. So going back to the DNS management in this DNS page, click on add a new record. Now let's go back to review the settings. I'll need to add an MX record. Okay, so the type MX. Okay, now in the name, enter @ or leave it blank. So I'll just copy and then paste it right here. Now in the values here, I'll need to point to this value. So I'll copy this value and then paste it right here. And now for the priority, let's see if the like in the priority enter 1. Okay. Now in the TTL 1 hour, okay, or leave it default value. That's great. Now let's save it. Okay, now it's updating the DNS record, and now the DNS record is added. Now let's go to the next step. Now get the verification code, and now add another DNS record, another MX record. Let's add a new MX record. And here in the value, paste the MS code verification. That's the MS verification code. Okay. Let's make sure it's highlighted, and now copy it, and now set the priority afterwards to 15. Okay, now the value and the priority to 15. And now come back here to activate Gmail. Now once you entered or added the DNS records, now let's go back to activate Gmail. Okay, now it's not activated for some reason, because here the status is missing. We haven't like it doesn't want to connect. We can always retry to activate. However, I'm sure I did like add the like records correctly. Okay, retrying. Oh, sorry, we didn't save the new record that we added. So let's save the other MX record that we added. Okay, let's for the value, let's write @ save it. Okay, now it's updating. And now the new record is added. Now let's retry the activation. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want to like activate. However, these are the steps that you need to take in order to activate them. Maybe you should like leave it for like a couple of minutes and then retry the activation. And if you do already have a Workspace account and you don't like want to create another from scratch and want to add or connect your GoDaddy domain name, just go to like the admin console and then connect or add a domain name, and the steps should be similar. So that's it. That's basically it. Even if it doesn't like want to connect right now for some reason, let's go to GoDaddy and make sure the MX records are added here. Okay, they are added. Maybe they want some time to like fully like activate, and then you want to retry the activation. However, that's basically the process. So that's basically the steps on how to add your GoDaddy domain name to your Google Workspace account.